Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Today we're going to talk about Celebrex, also known as celecoxib. This medication belongs to the family of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and helps us fight pain and inflammation. When is Celebrex used? It is usually prescribed to treat conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, and ankylosing spondylitis. It can also be helpful in relieving acute pain and intense menstrual cramp. You're probably wondering, how does it work? Celebrex works by blocking an enzyme in our body called COX-2. This enzyme is responsible for producing substances that cause inflammation and pain. By inhibiting it, Celebrex reduces inflammation and relieves pain. For Celebrex to work properly, it is very important to follow your doctor's instruction. The typical starting dose for osteoarthritis in adults is 200 milligrams per day. You can take it all at once or divide it into 2 doses. In the case of rheumatoid arthritis, the dose can be up to 400 milligrams per day, also divided into 2 doses. Remember to always take Celebrex with a glass of water and do not chew or crush it. Like all medicines, Celebrex can have some side effects. The most common are upset stomach, diarrhea, swelling, and dizziness. If you experience serious side effects, such as difficulty breathing or swelling of the face or throat, seek emergency medical attention. It is also important that you avoid Celebrex if you have had stomach ulcers or heart problems without first consulting your doctor. In short, Celebrex can be a great tool to relieve pain and inflammation, but it is always essential to follow your doctor's instructions and be aware of any side effects. If you have any questions or doubts, do not hesitate to ask him. Thank you for watching this video, and take care.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.